Welcome to this exciting course. Have you ever wondered how the product you order online get to your door so quickly? Or how a company manages thousands of shipments every day? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of transport management with SAP TM. Stay with us because you are about to find out why this SAP module is the uncelebrated superhero of the supply chain. Transportation is much more than simply moving things from point A to point B. It's the lifeblood of the supply chain. It's the lifeblood of thousands of companies. And when it's not done right, it can cost millions. This is where SAP TM, SAP's Transport Management module, comes in. Think of it as the brain behind the whole operation. It plans, executes, and monitors every step of the transport process. So, why is everyone talking about SAP TM? It's simple, yet so crucial. SAP TM enables you to do incredible things in the transport business that you never thought possible. First, reduction costs. Yes, that's right. SAP TM lets you compare different transport scenarios to choose the most economical one. This can save you up to 15% on your transport costs. Secondly, route optimization. Imagine being able to plan the fastest or most economical route for your goods in real time. It's like having a GPS, but for your entire supply chain. Third, real-time visibility. Knowing where your goods are at all times is possible. You can track every stage of transport, from warehouse to final delivery, and even be alerted to delays or problems. And finally, automation. Repetitive tasks such as invoicing, payments, and contracts, automated. This frees up time for you to concentrate on what really matters to your business. So,